Ever bitten into a crunchy, tangy pickle and wondered how that refreshing burst of flavor came to life? It's not magic, it's a marvel of modern agriculture and food science. Behind every jar of pickles on your supermarket shelf lies a remarkable journey that begins in sun-drenched fields and ends in meticulously sealed glass jars, bursting with flavor. So today, we're peeling back the layers on how humble cucumbers transform into everyone's favorite sight. And trust me, by the end of this journey, you'll never look at a pickle the same way again. Our journey begins in the wide-open plains of North Texas, specifically in Plainview, a region sandwiched between Lubbock and Amarillo. With its sandy, loam soil, cooler nighttime temperatures, and naturally low humidity thanks to high elevation, Plainview offers the perfect climate to grow cucumbers. These ideal conditions not only nurture the crop, but also lead to significantly higher yields than other regions. Every summer, this fertile land becomes a sea of green as thousands of acres of cucumbers come to life. To kick things off, the soil is deeply tilled, creating an airy, loose bed perfect for seed planting. Fertilizers rich in nutrients are prepared in advance, while massive irrigation systems ensure that the earth retains just the right amount of moisture. Then, high-tech seeding machines plant the cucumber seeds automatically, covering them with a delicate layer of soil to give them a snug beginning. From late May to early August, the cucumber plants grow under the blazing summer sun. Within just 7 to 10 days, the first signs of life green shoots emerge, signaling a successful germination. During this time, tractors are used to till the soil and remove weeds, which allows water to sink deeply and nourish the young plants. These fields rely on overhead irrigation systems, with towering sprinklers distributing water evenly in massive circular patterns. It's a ballet of precision, scale, and science. But there's one more secret weapon in cucumber farming: bees. Female cucumber flowers only bloom for 24 hours, and within that window, they must be pollinated at least 10 times to produce viable fruit. Enter the buzzing army of over 100 rented beehives, strategically placed across the farm. These bees dart from flower to flower, transferring precious pollen and ensuring a rich cucumber yield. Without them, the plants simply wouldn't produce fruit fast enough or in enough volume to meet demand. When the cucumbers finally reach their ideal size, between 1.5 and 1.75 inches in diameter, they're ready to be harvested. But timing is everything. If farmers wait even a single day too long, the cucumbers grow too big for pickling and lose their market value. That's why harvesting is a race against time. And it's a high-tech race. Modern harvesting machines equipped with razor-sharp blades move methodically through the fields, cutting cucumber stems with surgical precision. As the plants are pulled into the machine, specialized rollers separate the cucumbers from their vines, dropping them gently onto horizontal conveyors that elevate them vertically and deposit them into large bins. Meanwhile, trucks drive alongside the harvesters to collect the filled bins and transport them to the next phase. One of these mechanical beasts can harvest up to 50,000 pounds of cucumbers per hour, making it a marvel of efficiency and agricultural innovation. In contrast, some smaller farms still embrace old-world harvesting methods. Inspired by traditional German farming, they use winged carts that move slowly along the cucumber rows. Farmers lie belly down on these carts, plucking cucumbers by hand and placing them on a conveyor belt in front of them. It's more labor-intensive and time-consuming, but there's a certain romantic charm to the slower, human pace of farming. Once harvested, the cucumbers are trucked to a temporary cleaning station. Here, they're unloaded onto a giant conveyor, where they meet high-pressure water jets that blast away dirt and debris. A mild chlorine solution is added to the wash to ensure the cucumbers are fully sanitized without compromising their crisp texture or vibrant green color. After their spa treatment, the cucumbers go through a rigorous quality inspection. Workers remove any damaged or irregular ones, ensuring only the finest make the cut. Then comes the size. Sorting uniformity is key in pickle production, especially for jars packed with precision. From here, the cucumbers are sent to the pickling area. Trucks back up to giant conveyors, unloading their green cargo onto lines that carry them toward massive fiberglass brine tanks. Each of these tanks can hold up to 45,000 pounds of cucumbers, around 900 bushels. With 800 tanks on site, the facility has the capacity to pickle a staggering 35 million pounds at a time. The brine mixture that gives pickles their iconic temps is no simple concoction. It's crafted with purified water that's been boiled and cooled, mixed with salt and a touch of sugar. The magic ratio: 10 parts water, 1 part salt, and half a part sugar. This mixture is pumped into the tanks filled with cucumbers, and as the brine floods in, the cucumbers float to the top. Wooden lids are used to keep them submerged throughout the process, ensuring even pickling. In the heat of summer, the transformation takes just 3 weeks. Once pickled, a specialized machine called a digger removes the pickles from the tanks. Like a giant conveyor spoon, it scoops them up and sends them toward the processing plant for final preparation. Now it's time for the pickles to meet their forever home's: glass jars. These jars have already been sterilized and lined up on conveyor belts. As the pickles arrive, they're given one final inspection before being neatly arranged inside the jars. Consistency is key. Every jar must contain the same quantity and quality of pickles. Then, seasoned brine is poured in, locking in flavor and ensuring long-term freshness. The jars are sealed tightly, labeled, boxed, and readied for shipment. From here, they head to grocery stores, delis, sandwich shops, and ultimately, your plate. But we're not done just yet. For those who prefer sweet and sour pickle slices, there's another path. After pickling, the cucumbers are sliced into thin, uniform pieces and vibrated along conveyors to remove excess moisture. The tang of vinegar meets a subtle sugar sweetness, creating a delightful contrast in every bite. The slices are packed into jars, brined once again, sealed, and labeled, each one a testament to flavor, balance, and textural perfection. In addition to the traditional 3-week fermentation method, the facility also employs a quick pickling process that takes just 3 to 5 days. This method starts with thoroughly washed cucumbers that are lightly boiled for 1 to 2 minutes, then plunged into ice-cold water to preserve their crunch. From there, they're drained, packed into jars preloaded with seasonings: garlic, chili, mustard seeds, dill, or custom spice blends, and filled with brine. These firm cucumbers are packed tightly, requiring a bit of muscle to get them seated just right. The sealed jars are then sterilized in hot water to eliminate any harmful microbes and ensure shelf stability. Once cooled, they're ready to be shipped out. So the next time you crack open a jar of pickles, take a moment to appreciate the journey. From fields buzzing with bees to brine-filled tanks the size of swimming pools, every pickle has a story of science, precision, and nature working hand in hand. But beyond taste and crunch, did you know pickles are good for your health, too? They're rich in probiotics that support gut health and aid digestion. They help keep your body hydrated and may even help regulate blood sugar levels. That's right, your favorite snack isn't just delicious, it's doing good things for your body. If you found this journey into the world of pickles fascinating, you're in for more. Want to know how McDonald's hamburgers are mass-produced in modern factories? Check the link in the description and the first comment. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another deep dive into the food on your plate. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.